Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by signing into the Microsoft or Xbox account that controls the child profile. This is crucial because parental controls are account level. Once signed in, open Minecraft and go straight to Settings, then Profile, then Parental Controls. Do not detour. Make sure you have the console or PC and the account password handy, and enable two-factor authentication if possible. This prevents unauthorized changes and explains why we act from the parent account rather than. Now you'll adjust content and privacy settings to match the child's age and your comfort level. Select age-appropriate content filters, and then toggle multiplayer, text chat, and voice chat permissions. Decide who can join, message, or invite the account. Once you choose levels, save the changes and immediately verify by previewing the child profile in Minecraft to confirm restrictions took effect. Doing this shows how settings behave in practice and lets you fine-tune permissions without guesswork. Finish by locking the settings. Set a parent PIN and store recovery info securely so you can update later. Then test gameplay using the child account, join a session and try chat features to ensure rules are enforced. If something doesn't change, sign out of both accounts, clear the game cache or app data, and retry. This often resolves sync hiccups. If problems persist, contact platform support for account issues. That troubleshooting step saves time when settings refuse to apply.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.